So in this Alight Motion tutorial video, I will be showing you how to fade in text here in Alight Motion. So to add some text, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, and then press the text icon in the bottom right, and I will just go fade in. Just like that, I will change the font, I will make the text larger, and I will change it to green. So it's a little bit easier for you guys to see, just like this. Once that is done and you want to fade this in, just press out of it, select the text one more time. A bunch of different options here, but go to where it says effects in the bottom right and then add effect. And then scroll down to where it says move/transform. Once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options if you want to add these to it. You can also go ahead here and there's a bunch of different options, right? You can go ahead and basically play around with it, right? There's color, there's blur, there's move/transform, there's matte/mask, there's text, there's drawing/edge, there's 3D, there's opacity/visibility. But what we want to do here is go to where it says fade in and out, standard settings right here. And then if you want to go ahead and do the fade in, you want to edit it this way. So if then you go ahead and you press play right here, the text will fade in accordingly. But in my case, it was a little too slow. I'll go ahead and do this again. So I'll press play, text fades in, just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to fade in text here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helps.